Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cryptoknowlogy. In this video, I will discuss with you about the future of cryptocurrency in next 5 years. The first half of 2022 has been bad for the cryptocurrency market. The cost of Bitcoin and Ethereum has decreased by more than 50% since the time when they reached their all-time highs in the late 2021. The overall state of the cryptocurrency market is largely stagnant, despite some slight gains in recent weeks. No one can be certain, but a number of analysts think that the value of cryptocurrencies may decline even more before making a sustained recovery. 5 years is exactly enough time for everything to change, yet 1 year is not long enough to see many significant changes. What's the future of cryptocurrency in next 5 years? The long-term predictions are tough to make, but in the coming months, industry professionals will be following developments like institutional acceptance of crypto payments and regulatory development. They hope to gain a deeper understanding of the market. Now we will discuss about the top cryptocurrency predictions for the future. One of the most important occurrences in the modern times has undoubtedly been the development of cryptocurrency. Since the introduction of Bitcoin, people have been wary of cryptocurrencies. However, many are showing interest in crypto-based solutions now since situations have changed. The current conditions of cryptocurrencies certainly provides the ideal basis for the positive cryptocurrency future predictions. On the other hand, given the volatility of cryptocurrencies, predicting the future is challenging. Some unrealistic forecasts of long-term developments in the cryptocurrency world express positivity for the technology's future. In the meantime, it's necessary to keep an eye out of the crucial elements that could clearly define the future application of cryptocurrencies. How, for instance, the future of cryptocurrency regulations grow. There are a few other crucial aspects that will have an impact on cryptocurrencies in 2022. Just like that. Now the next we will discuss about cryptocurrencies regulations. The concerns about the uncertainty in the cryptocurrency world frequently revolve around queries about crypto regulations. Even though lawmakers have not yet taken any concrete action in this direction, it is impossible to ignore the importance of regulations for the development of cryptocurrencies over the next 5 years. Right now, there is only a lot of debate about the regulations of cryptocurrency. However, it is impossible to ignore how the laws governing cryptocurrencies are evolving over the time. For instance, US legislatures have been paying attention to stablecoins regulations to protect the investor safety. Governments around the world are attempting to identify relevant precedents for crypto regulations. Now the next is fully decentralized exchanges. Many people are quick to point out the challenges of creating a deep and liquid market in a decentralized manner. Even though centralized exchanges are now making enormous profits, they are curious to watch their industry will develop. All decentralized order books will eventually become connected and shared by market forces. But once the entire market is interconnected, exchanges become truly well exchangeable. Regulation is probably one of the main factors promoting decentralization. When the use of some currencies or the exchanges of the currency is more strictly regulated, it will either drive behavior to institutions that are compliant or underground. There are still a lot of underlying infrastructures that have to be created, both for consumers and professional trading, to let decentralized exchanges identify and share order volume and split economics. Now the next is crypto ETF acceptance. In terms of projections for the future of cryptocurrencies in 2022 and beyond, the crypto ETFs have emerged as one of the reliable highlights. The first ever Bitcoin ETF, which debuted in New York Stock Exchange in October 2021, is a key milestone in this movement. The Bitcoin ETF allows investors to purchase cryptocurrencies directly from traditional investing brokerages. In simple terms, crypto ETFs paves the way for the incorporation of cryptocurrencies into traditional finance. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies' future projections for ETFs also suggest that B2 ETF is not the only option. Experts have noted that the ETF only holds a stake in Bitcoin but does not directly own any other cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, the ETF contains Bitcoin future contracts which follow overall cryptocurrency trends. However, the acceptance of cryptos ETFs like B2 is a positive development in the key elements that will determine the future of cryptocurrencies. Now the next we will discuss about the future of NFTs. NFTs or non-fungible tokens have been around since 2014. But it was not until 2021 that this state-of-art technology gained widespread acceptance. NFTs, this stand for digital ownership of a variety of unreplicable intangible goods, has caught the interest of prominent people and large corporations like American Bank and Gucci. According to data gathered by DappRadar, an app stored for decentralized applications, total NFT sales reached $20 billion in 2021 as opposed to $94.9 million the previous year. However, the questions of whether NFTs are merely a fad or a trend is still for the debate. According to data from DappRadar, NFT sales declined below $1 billion in June for the first time in the previous 12 months. In addition to other macroeconomic factors like inflation, rising interest rates, and Russia's conflict in Ukraine, some experts predict that the NFT sector will continue to suffer as a result of dropping price of cryptocurrencies. In the meanwhile, creators and artists assert that this is the upcoming method of monetization. Now, to conclude, I would like to say that the future of cryptocurrencies will be determined by the regulators, but brands can also have an impact because many of them are entering the industry to meet the demands of expanding markets that governments have so far neglected. This can be accomplished by facilitating the trades in a more welcoming and secure setting for complete beginners or by providing information and resources to inquiring trade intenders. Each of these factors will have an impact on how people and businesses engage with cryptocurrencies as well as overall cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency has the potential to displace a number of traditional financial instruments in the long run. Do not prioritize investing in cryptocurrency over the financial objectives like as retirement saving and eliminating high interest debt, and instead keep your investment small. This is the end of our video. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, you can visit our website cryptoknowlogy.com. Link in description. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe our channel.